All right, so I kind of want to go over some strategies to save on energy costs on your home. So if you're looking to save a little bit of money this year, I always am. Stay tuned and I'll give you some ideas that can help you save some money on your home energy costs. Hey there, I'm Christina Spikes, realtor with Coldwell Banker, owner House of Spikes. There are a few easy ways that you can make your home more energy efficient and in return, cut down on your energy costs. First up, switch out your light bulbs. Lighting accounts for around 15% of an average home's electricity use and is one of the easiest ways to start saving energy. You can save about $200 a year in energy costs just by replacing your most frequently used light fixtures or bulbs with LED lighting. Also, consider using automatic timers and dimmers to turn off lights when they aren't in use. Invest in a smart thermostat.
This one isn't very smart.
But installing a smart thermostat can lower your annual heating and cooling costs by around 10%. Program your thermostat to decrease the temperature by 7 to 10 degrees or increase it depending on the season when you're away or sleeping. I love Ecobee and Nest, but the Amazon Smart Thermostat is another great budget-friendly option. Change your furnace filters regularly. It's important to maintain your HVAC to keep it running efficiently. And one of the easiest ways to do this is by changing the filter regularly. Clogged and dirty air filters require your HVAC system to work harder to push air through your home, reducing the efficiency. According to the Department of Energy, replacing your filters regularly can reduce energy consumption by 5 to 15%. Turn down your water heater. Did you know that you can lower the temperature of your water heater? On average, lowering the water heater temperature by 20 degrees can save up to 15% annually. I'm not gonna do it, but you should. Water heaters typically come from the manufacturer with their temperature set at 140 degrees Fahrenheit, but most households only need it set at about 120, except for me. I love lava showers. Pro tip, most electric companies offer a free energy audit where they do a room-by-room examination of your home and look at your electricity bills to help determine where you're wasting energy. This is also another great way to reduce energy bills. Have questions? Feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help any way that I can. Have a great day.